The Hindustan Ambassador is more than just a car, it is an enduring symbol of India's automotive history. Revered as the king of Indian roads, the Ambassador ruled Indian streets for over 5 decades, earning a legendary status that remains unmatched. Its story is one of resilience, nostalgia, and deep cultural significance, making it an iconic presence in the hearts of millions. Introduced in 1957 by Hindustan Motors, the Ambassador was modeled on the British Morris Oxford Series 3. It quickly became a status symbol for politicians, government officials, and the elite. Despite its simple, boxy design, the car exuded an aura of power and reliability. Over the years, it became the preferred choice for bureaucrats, taxi drivers, and even common families, thanks to its spacious interiors, sturdy build, and remarkable durability. One of the most distinctive aspects of the Ambassador was its ability to withstand rough terrains and long journeys. Unlike modern cars that often struggle with India's unpredictable roads, the Ambassador was built like a tank, offering a smooth and comfortable ride even on the most challenging routes. Its suspension system, inspired by British engineering, made it one of the most comfortable cars of its time. Beyond its mechanics, the Ambassador became an inseparable part of India's political and cinematic landscape. It was the official vehicle of Indian prime ministers and presidents for decades. Its imposing yet graceful structure made it a perfect fit for state convoys, where it symbolized authority and prestige. Bollywood further cemented its legacy, featuring the car in numerous films, often as a getaway vehicle for villains or a majestic ride for heroes. The car also had a unique charm in the Indian taxi industry. In cities like Kolkata, Mumbai, and Delhi, the yellow and black or white Ambassadors became an inseparable part of the urban experience. Tourists and locals alike enjoyed the vintage appeal and spacious backseat, which no other taxi could match. The car's air of nostalgia made it a favorite among generations of Indians, evoking memories of long road trips, family vacations, and countless adventures. Despite its overwhelming popularity, the rise of modern automobiles posed a significant challenge to the Ambassador. By the late 1990s and early 2000s, foreign manufacturers entered the Indian market with sleek, fuel-efficient, and technologically advanced cars. Hindustan Motors struggled to keep pace with these changes, and the Ambassador's once unmatched dominance began to wane. The lack of major design updates and evolving customer preferences led to a sharp decline in sales. In 2014, production of the Hindustan Ambassador was officially halted, marking the end of an era. However, its legacy did not fade. In 2017, the French automotive giant Peugeot acquired the Ambassador brand, sparking hopes of a revival. While no new model has been introduced yet, the nostalgia surrounding the car remains strong, and many automobile enthusiasts still restore and maintain classic Ambassadors as prized possessions. Today, the Ambassador lives on in memories, vintage car rallies, and special government fleets. Collectors and restorers continue to cherish and maintain these historic vehicles, keeping their engines roaring and their stories alive. The car remains a beloved symbol of a bygone era when Indian roads were ruled by a machine that was more than just transportation, it was a cultural icon. The Hindustan Ambassador was not just a car, it was an emotion, a sentiment, and an inseparable part of India's journey through the decades. Its legacy will continue to be celebrated, reminding us of a time when simplicity and strength defined Indian automobiles. Even though it no longer graces the streets in its former numbers, its impact is everlasting. The Ambassador is, and will always be, the undisputed king of Indian roads.